Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Peet's Coffee Rewards app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Peet's Coffee is a rewards and ordering app designed for coffee lovers who frequent Peet's locations. The app allows users to order ahead, earn reward points, and enjoy exclusive offers and perks. It's available for both iOS and Android, making it convenient for anyone who wants to skip the line and have their favorite drink ready for pickup. The main feature of the app is its Peetnik reward system. Users earn points for every purchase, which can be redeemed for free drinks, food items, or discounts. The app also keeps track of your order history, helps you customize drinks, and notifies you about seasonal offers and double point days. It's especially useful for regular customers who want a smoother and faster coffee experience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real use. Many users appreciate the easy navigation, fast mobile ordering, and helpful location finder. The reward system is praised for offering consistent benefits and occasional exclusive deals. The app also integrates with digital payment methods, making checkout fast and contactless. However, there are a few downsides. Some users have reported occasional app crashes or slow loading times during peak hours. The points redemption process can also be confusing for new users. Additionally, while the app is great for frequent customers, it may not provide much benefit to occasional coffee drinkers. In summary, the Peet's Coffee app may be worth using if you're a regular Peet's customer who wants to save time, earn rewards, and enjoy exclusive deals. However, if you visit only occasionally or prefer cash transactions, the app might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.